Halftime entertainment, the Phoenix Suns are pleased to welcome to the court the Heat Wave and the Blazing Canines Flyball Dog Show.
Hello, everybody. Tonight we're going to introduce you to Flyball. This is a relay race between two teams of dogs. They're going to go over these 4 jumps, hit the spring-loaded box, grab a tennis ball, and run back. In the right lane, in the green shirts, we have the Blazing Canines young team from Mesa. In the left lane, in the yellow, we have the 4-time regional champions Heat Wave Flyball. Are you all ready? Remember that the louder you yell, the faster they run. Everybody ready? Teams are ready. Starting for Blazing is Casey. Starting it for Heat Wave is Cinnapaw. And they're off. Blazing has an early lead. There goes Dude for Blazing and Riley for Heat Wave. Blazing is still in the lead. There goes Feister and Molly for Heat Wave. The young people are taking the old dogs. Klondike and Grace in anchor. And the win goes to Blazing Canines. We'll set them up again and have another rundown. The young upstarts apparently have the speed tonight. Are you teams ready? Set, go! Cinnapaw and Casey down. Who's going to make it back first? It's an even race this time with Dude getting a lead in the right lane. Riley catches up quick and Molly and Feister are off. It's neck and neck now. Klondike and Grace run an anchor. Go Klonny, go! He's running Flyball naked, no collar. Apparently that gave him that extra burst of speed to give that win to Heat Wave. It's now 1-1. Teams ready? Set, go! Casey and Cinnapaw are off, and it's neck and neck. Here comes Riley. Dude has a bit of a lead. Can they catch back up? Here come the third dogs. Feister's ahead of Molly, but Molly's catching up quickly. Now for Grace and Klondike. Cheer and let these dogs run faster. They need to hear you. The win goes to Blazing. It's 2-1. Let's see if Heat Wave can catch back up. Teams ready. Cheer for your team. The dogs know you're cheering for them. Go! Paw and Casey are off. They're even. Here go the second dogs, Riley and Dude. Dude has a big lead. Can Molly make it up for Heat Wave? Here she comes. Feister's heading back. And the anchor dogs go. Gracie and Klondike. Oh, that was a close one. I think that's a tie. I think we need a tiebreaker. Are you ready for another one? One more? All right, teams, get ready. Ready, set, and go. Cinnapaw and Casey are off. This time Cinnapaw has a bit of a lead. Here come the second dogs. Dude has a big lead over Riley. Can she catch back up? Molly and Feister are going. Molly looks to be on her game this time. Can she catch him? Oh, Klondike got a big lead on Grace. And that win goes to Heat Wave. You want to see one more? All right, one more. Teams ready? Casey and Cinnapaw are ready. Set, go! They're dead even down to the box. Here comes Dude with a lead on Riley. Can she catch back up? Here comes Molly and Feister. Molly has a big lead this time on Feister. And here comes Grace and Klondike. Neck and neck, who is it gonna be? It was a tie. We're gonna have to go to one more. Teams ready. The louder you cheer, the faster they run. These dogs love this. They're neck and neck in the box. Here come the second dogs, Riley and Dude. at www.flyball.org.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about it for the Heat Wave and the Blazing Canines Flyball Dog